First guys, open any browsers to Google search box to type like that the model number of your laptop, and just first link which is officially ASUS website, and this is your laptop. After that click on support, then click on driver and tool. By default select Windows 11. Scroll down and this is a graphic driver, you can see. So AMD graphic there also there, and NVIDIA graphic also there. So which is required because installations process same. Okay, suppose I show you installations process same, just click to simple, click on download. After you can see it will start downloading in the download box. Okay, and it will take some time, depend about your internet speed. So it is downloaded, just single click to open. After that require the administrator rights to install. Click on yes, then okay, next, I agree, next, install, next, next, next. Now this is installing. Then it is done, and then just restart your system and then please check it. Then it is completed, just restart your system.